Welcome to English with Chanroth. In today's lesson, you'll learn top 20 phrases that you're going to use the most often. Then, try to use them in conversation when you're speaking English. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, English with Chanroth. If you're new to English with Chanroth, then welcome. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Okay, so now let's get started with our lesson. Many people begin and end conversations by saying hello and goodbye to each other. Doing so is considered good manner in many parts of English-speaking world, and it's also a simple way to express friendly interest to whoever you're chatting with. 1. Interactions in English. Greetings are used to say hello in English. It's common to use different greetings depending on whether you greet a friend, family, or a business associate. When you meet friends, use informal greetings. If it's really important, use formal greetings. Formal greetings are also used to say when you meet people you do not know very well. Formal greetings, for example, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Hello plus name, how are you? Good day, sir, or good day, ma'am. They're very formal. Informal greetings, for example, hi or hello. How are you? How are you doing? What's up? They're very informal. Next, the most important questions. What's your name? What's your name? English speakers don't usually say, what is your name? They tend to use contraction form, what's your name? It's more natural. And when someone asks you this question, you can reply by saying, my name's Chanroth, or I'm Chanroth. And second question, where are you from? Where are you from? Lots of people will ask you this. So you can answer, I'm from plus city as the state or country. For example, I'm from Cambodia. I'm from Cambodia. What do you do? What do you do? This is the most common question to ask when you meet a new person and want to learn more about them. Native speakers prefer to this question to what's your job? What's your job? Or are you a student? Are you a student? Because it's about the awkward situation of giving a negative answer. Actually, I'm out of work at the moment. Or, no, I'm not a student. Native speakers tend to feel uncomfortable when they have to respond negatively. How to respond? If you have a job, you can say where you work. For example, I work in a school. I work in a school. Or the name of your profession. For example, I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Or the title of your position. For example, I'm the director of an English school. I'm the director of an English school. If you spend your time differently, you can talk about that instead. For example, I study English at the university. I study English at the university. Or I make videos for YouTube. I make videos for YouTube. Number 2, asking for help or clarification. If you don't understand what someone said, you can ask for clarification using the expression, for example, can you repeat that please? Can you repeat that, please? This means say it again. Remember to use the word please to sound more polite. For example, could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Native English speakers talk quickly, even to people who are from other countries. You can ask, can you speak more slowly, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? You can also say, sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. Use this when you want someone to tell you in another way. Also, sorry is another word that English people really like. So you can use it when you can. If you want to ask, say, excuse me, I have a question. Excuse me, I have a question. You can use this phrase when you can use this phrase in class or when anytime you don't understand something. It is perfectly normal to ask for clarification or to repeat something. Just remember to be polite. If you don't understand something, let's just say a word or even some idea relating to your conversation. You could say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you please repeat that? Or, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you please explain that? If you simply didn't hear anything, you can say like, I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. Could you please repeat? Or, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat? Don't be shy to ask. People generally happy to explain or repeat something. And don't forget to thank them after they do. And if you have all the information you'd wanted, you can say, thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. This is a very common and useful expression. Another example, got it, thanks. Got it, thanks. This is very informal and friendly. Another example, I think I have everything I need. Thank you. I think I have everything I need. Thank you. This is formal and may come across as rude if you don't thank the person after. So use it with caution. Next, yes and no in English. Yes and no are easy words to learn, but they are 100% sure. Sometimes you want to say yes or no in a less sure way. To say yes, use I think so. I think so. This means probably yes, but I'm not 100% sure. When your friend asks, does Lee speak English? You say, I think so. Ask him. To say no, use I don't think so. I don't think so. This means probably no, but I'm not 100% sure. If your friend asks, are you coming to the party tonight? You say, I don't think so. I'll take my English exam tomorrow morning. If you are 50-50, say maybe. If your friend asks, are you going out tonight? You can say maybe. This means you might go or you might not go. Before saying goodbye, it is polite to say something like, have a good day, enjoy your day, good luck, talk to you soon. great seeing you, or great talking to you. Catch you later. So, I hope these phrases are helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.